Hi guys, if your iPhone is not scanning QR code, then here is the fix. First of all, just go to settings and search scan QR code in the setting and make sure it is turned on. If it is not on, turn it on. Second thing is try to clean the camera with a clean microfiber cloth. And let's say here it is your QR code. Right now in front of me this is a keyboard, but if let's say here QR code is there and you're trying to scan it, so make sure there is not any glare or light falling on the surface of the QR code. Sometimes light hinders the scanning process. Also, another workaround is this: if you can't scan QR code, then what you can do, you can just take a picture of the QR code. Just take a picture of the QR code. Let's say I have taken a picture of the QR code. Now open the photo in your Photos app and long press on it. Now once you have taken the picture of the QR code, just tap on the photo to open in Photos app. Now long press on it, the QR code, and these options will appear in the menu, and now you can just copy link or open that in Safari. Okay, so this is also one workaround which you can do. Another thing is you can restart and see if it works. After restarting, again open your camera and try to scan the QR code. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.